Hey everybody, this is Bill with Professional PDR. Just wanted to make another quick video for you guys today. We're working on a 2015 all aluminum Ford F-150. A lot of shops say that you cannot repair these vehicles due to the fact that they're aluminum, but when you have highly skilled, highly trained technicians, it is a very simple process. The difference between steel versus aluminum is, sorry, having video problems here. The difference is the steel does not have a memory. Steel has a memory where aluminum does not. So the metal is a little bit harder to work, a little bit less forgiving than steel would be. So let me show you a little bit of what we're working on and then kind of give you an idea of what's going on here. So it's 2015 Ford F-150, all aluminum. Technician Justin is repairing this vehicle. It is near complete. The hail damage on this one wasn't too severe, probably about a $3,000 claim. So we'll come over here and take a look at the hood. Sorry about the video being a little shaky. My gimbal died here on me. But as you can see, it's all complete. Flawless repair. So if you have an aluminum vehicle such as this one or any other vehicle that may have an aluminum hood or any other panels like that, they can be done with paintless dent repair. It just takes a little bit more skill and finesse to repair this metal. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you guys on the next one.